This is how to color correct or color grade multiple clips in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported these clips onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to come over here to the new item icon and select it, and select an adjustment layer and hit OK, and drag this adjustment layer above your first clip over here and extend it to the duration of that first clip. Now select the adjustment layer and come over to the effects library and search for Lumetri Color, and scroll down and select Lumetri Color and drag it onto your adjustment layer over here. Now the basic thing is that whatever effect we apply to this adjustment layer will be applied to every single clip. So under Lumetri Color over here, select the basic color correction and scroll down. And for example, if you want to make all the clips black and white, all you need to do is to reduce the saturation over here to 0, and you'll notice that even though the effect is applied on the adjustment layer, the clip under it is black and white. If I remove this adjustment layer, you notice that the clip under it is still colored. So now if you are satisfied with this color grade, you can always come down and adjust some other clips over here. For example, if you want to add a vignette, you select the vignette drop down and you scroll down. Under vignette, you can increase the amount of vignette and you can see vignette added to your clip. You can change the midpoint over here. You can adjust whatever effects, increase the feather over here. And basically, once you are done with the color correcting or the color grading, all you need to do is to adjust this adjustment layer to your entire timeline. And as you scroll through, you will notice that all the other clips are now black and white. So you can use this method to color grade multiple clips at once in Premiere Pro.